Welcome to in front of me CUBOT R19, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So we can do it by two ways. I'll show you both. And the first one is you just should go into the settings, and here tap on the display section. Here you'll see the wallpapers. Tap there and you can choose your new lock screen wallpaper from the photos on your device if you get some device previously taken photos, or also for example the wallpapers from downloaded from the internet. Or you can tap here on the wallpapers, default wallpapers from your device, and select one from this wallpaper. For example, we can go with this one, and here on the left upper corner tap to set wallpaper, and we want to change our lock screen. Okay, I just clicked to the both screens, I think. Okay, that doesn't matter, I will show you again. And as can you see, we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. And the second way, you just should hold for a while your screen and you'll see the wallpaper section. And by the same way, just for example select one from these wallpapers, tap here to set and tap to lock screen. And as can you see, we got here the message that our wallpaper set successfully. Now we'll check that. As can you see, we just changed successfully our lock screen wallpaper. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.